channel. Today I want to go ahead and film a remedy on how you can whiten your teeth within 10 minutes, and I haven't filmed a teeth whitening video in so long, or even just like an oral hygiene kind of video in so long. I feel like the last one I did was probably like 2-3 years ago, but I don't remember. So I think this video is a little past due. Anyway, so the remedy is very simple. It's a very quick remedy. If you're just, you know, running out of the house and you just want like a very quick result, go ahead and just do this remedy and let me know how it works out for you. There are a few things that I do talk about through the remedy. Just keep in mind that you make sure you follow them and you do them properly. Hey guys, so I am currently filming on my Sony 51A Alpha, whatever you want to call it. Let's hope this works out better. A lot of people have been complaining about the quality of my Canon Rebel T3i. I do just want to throw out there that the camera itself has a resolution of 1080p. However, for some reason YouTube is not picking that up, and I have went into YouTube and Google and everything and looked at, you know, why that may be happening. Maybe it's something that I'm doing wrong on my end through editing, or maybe when I upload it I'm not doing something right. But I've come to find out that it's not just me that YouTube does this to, it's a lot of people that it's happening to. It's a glitch on YouTube's end. Anyways, today I want to go ahead and do another care remedy. I feel like I haven't done a teeth whitening remedy in so freaking long. So I am kind of overdue in doing another one for you guys right now. And I'm sorry that I keep looking up. You guys are above the actual lens, so I am looking at the lens, not being cocky. Anyway, so for this remedy, you guys are going to need a bowl to mix in. You guys are also going to need a foil, or if you guys have a plastic wrap, you can go ahead and use those as well. You guys are also going to need some baking soda, some vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and then you guys are also going to need a vitamin. Why did I take a vitamin D? My bad. I apologize. You guys are going to need some activated charcoal pills, and then apart from that, you're also going to need some coconut oil. That's just going to be kind of like a last minute thing. It's just something at the end that we'll be using. So to start off this remedy, this quick remedy, we're just going to go ahead and pour a little bit of baking soda. You're also going to need 1 capsule of activated charcoal, and we're going to pop that open. This does get very messy, so just make sure that you're around an area where you feel like if you drop it, it's not really gonna matter. Then to activate this, we're just gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of vinegar. Woo-hoo-hoo. Then using just a Q-tip, just go ahead and mix this in. Oh gosh, I hate the smell of vinegar so much. To apply this, you just want to go ahead and use your Q-tip and just apply it on all your teeth and make sure that you really get into the grooves and everything. Make sure you do get into all the gaps. Once you apply that, you want to go ahead and use the foil, and you're just going to fold the foil in half. Just because you want a nice folded edge, you don't want it to harm you. So once you've gotten the foil off, you just want to go ahead and grab some on a toothbrush and refresh it. That if this remedy is starting to bother your gums, go ahead and remove it immediately. Do not wait around to see if it really is going to make a change. Honestly, if it's starting to burn or do anything to your gums that you feel like is really not normal, go ahead and take it off and just wash your mouth out. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you another tip in order to fix whatever is going on. Mine doesn't feel weird right now. My lips have been really dry because of the fever and everything and the flus. So it's just kind of dry. I guess that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and take my brush, and then I'm also going to take my coconut oil, and then I'm just going to use this 2 is really going to help whiten the teeth even more, along with just kind of giving a nice kind of a shiny glow to your teeth, along with just making it healthier, because applying vinegar along with baking soda can get rid of some of the good properties on your teeth. So you want to add them back on by adding coconut. A lot of people do like to just swish the coconut around their mouth, which is really good because it does kill a lot of bacteria, which is something I would do, but mine's is just kind of like hard right now, so I'm just going to use a brush to go over it with the teeth. I'm also going to apply a little on the gums, but I'm not going to brush the gums. Okay, so that was the overall remedy. I know it was so simple that you probably loved it. It's making my teeth feel so clean right now, especially because I switched around the coconut oil and just brushed a little with it. It's really made my teeth feel very smooth, and it's also like calming my gums down after the whole intense baking soda and the vinegar. So yeah, I mean, I happen to love this remedy. I've used it a few times and I think it's really making an effect. Right now, I think the only things that I really need to worry about are the yellow between the gaps, which I'm working on. So if you can just take a Q-tip and really stuff the charcoal and everything, like the whole mixture, the paste, into your actual gaps and just leave it on there for 5 minutes and brush it off, eventually it will work out. Also, this remedy should not be done excessively. Just do it once a week. So I would just recommend maybe like once on a weekend when you're doing a full out facial cleanse, body cleanse, whatever you're doing, and you also want to do your mouth. Just go ahead and add this part of your routine. Just make this a part of your routine, and honestly, eventually over time, you are going to be seeing a very big difference. Not only the appearance of your teeth, but also the health, as long as you are using the coconut oil to really add moisture and everything back into your teeth. Excessively using this remedy will damage your teeth over a period of time. That is why I am personally recommending this once a week. Alright guys, so that was the overall remedy. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to thumbs the video up. Also, leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see next on this channel, or a remedy that you would like to see done by me. Just let me know, or something that you want to target, and I can go ahead and figure out a remedy for you guys. And apart from that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later. Bye!
If you guys enjoyed this video and would like new videos in your feeds, do not forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified of new videos.